We are not gonna bake it. We are just gonna use the stove.
Okay.
And then,
so John says not gonna bake it.
Sorry,
we're gonna use it for the stove.
Fire.
So we're making Turkish halva. This is gonna be for the Turkish dessert.
It's my mom, not me, guys. We need a small saucepan, like it's burnt anyway. To boil the sugar in it.
The shrimp? Are you saying the shrimp?
And we need a pot like this. No, pan, not pot. For the flour and butter.
John, I heard you saying the shrimp. I already have this big one. Is that be better? Oh, okay, great. So what are we turning? Is it low, medium, or high? Well, anyway, so we're gonna do that for this mixing bowl for later. And let's do for that for the stove. I'm gonna be able to see the lights on. And I'm gonna see what that have with her. I'm gonna give you just hold up just the one. There we go.
Hey John! Look!
Alright, so we got the stoves on here, so
What is halva?
Halva is typical Turkish dessert.
Oh.
It's very, very old one. It's a traditional one. And there's so many types of halva. And we're gonna make one of them right now. And it's the easiest one.
So we got here. What are we turning here? Is it low, medium, or high?
So if everybody's ready,
Okay.
we start with the sugar and water.
Sugar and water.
Pour the water and the sugar in it, and we're just gonna boil it. That's it.
Is it turning low, medium, or high?
Sugar and water.
All right. Let's go with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1.5 cups of water. So we're gonna turn this on.
Basically, we're gonna make.
Is it low, medium, or high? I'm gonna see what that goes for.
1 cup.
John, is it like for, yeah, sugar go first and then water. So John, is it turning low, medium, or high?
First boil the water and then add the sugar.
No, everything's gonna be cold. So all together. Water and sugar together, and then we're just gonna turn the heat on.
Alright, is it low, medium, or high?
I'm gonna use high because it's gonna take some time.
Alright, high would be better. So turn it on high heat and then
How much water was it?
1.5 cups of water.
1.5 cup.
And I'm sorry, you said the smaller bowl for the sugar and water or the bigger bowl?
Yeah. No, it's all of them. And vegan is good for flour and butter.
Oh, 1 cup of sugar and 1.5 cups of water?
That's correct, yes.
So as you can see, the water and sugar is going to be dissolved on high. So we're going to put the butter into the separate pan. So I'll be back. I add some separate pan. So the sugar is already dissolved in water and turned on low heat. Now in the other pan, on medium low, we're going to melt in a stick of unsalted butter.
And the butter was just melting. Okay.
And then just you making like clarified butter.
Measure the flour. You can do it right now.
I already measured the flour earlier.
2 cups.
It says about 1.5 cups. Or yeah, it is. It is 2 cups. So we're gonna make sure to keep melting that real quick.
So you can add 2 cups of flour, Annisha, and start cooking it. So guys, I have to tell you this trick. Tell a trick of this important. So we're gonna cook the flour with butter for I don't know how long. Like it's gonna be low heat at this point. It will be cooked very well. Like, it will probably take like 8-9 minutes. I'm not sure.
Which one
it will
is?
get brown, but at that point, when it's when it's brown, it's so easy to get burnt. So keep an eye on it when you cook it. And I'm going to mix it all the time. I'm not going to take my hands off at all.
So it is supposed to get brown though?
Yes, but it's like, how to say, when it's brown, it's so easy to get burnt. So you really need to mix it.
And then what do you do once it is brown? Do you take it off the stove?
Yeah, you're gonna, no actually, at that point, you're gonna pour the water, the syrup.
Oh, the simple syrup. That was one. That was for the sugar and water. Just lower that. Yeah, butter's melting. Let's lower the heat. Alright, so let's put 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So let me just grab some spoon. I'm just going to do that little by little because we don't want it splattering for the butter. Here, let me just get this one.
So as soon as our butter is melted, we put the flour in?
That's correct.
So I do spoonfuls because we don't want it on the flour cloud.
I'm gonna mix it with my spoon all the time.
So you said about...
The flour and the butter, it's very solid. It's not really...
It's normal.
It says to cook for 8 to 9 minutes, but John don't know why, but we have to see. So you said about 8 to 9 minutes, right?
We'll see. I mean, it depends on your stove.
I'm gonna set it for 8 minutes, so we have to see how that works.
Well,
Look at mine.
that looks okay, Annisha, but just keep cooking it for a long time.
Okay.
So John, I already set the timer for 8 to 9 minutes.
Laura, you have a question?
So we gotta make sure to you gotta make a roux for that. When it's after medium low with the butter and flour, John will decide to turn it on low. We don't want to burn it on the bottom. It says to be brown one. As you can see, it's just like a coarse breadcrumbs, or even like a ground almond for you to see the texture one. It says to keep it brown, but for 8 minutes, I'm quite sure it's gonna be right amount for that, and we can do that for a little more. You can see the butter and flour has been just a lightly brown, but it doesn't really matter. So I just return it back to that for the sugar and water, just to make it low. And I'm just going to slowly, because I just want to stand back with us, adding the butter and flour into the sugar and water. You're going to stir it first and then add the ones for next. Alright, so let me just keep stirring that. It's gonna get really goose on here.
Oh, do I keep it on the heat?
But again?
Do we keep it on
Let me just turn this on medium low, or I'll try that.
For me, I typically keep after 2 minutes.
Alright, let's add something for the walnuts. That would be like a 4 cup of chopped walnuts because I already have the walnut chips. I'm going to give you for this brand name. The Fisher.
Oh my gosh, I'm still
Walnut
waiting
chips.
for my flour to get brown.
Really?
Am I behind everybody?
Right behind. And then just going to keep going. As you can see that.
Yeah?
Is it on the medium heat?
Yeah.
And I'm going to show what John to see how that goes for it. Hey John, how's that look? I know you can see it in my pot so heavy. Hey John, how's it look?
Perfect.
So I can turn it off and then remove from the heat?
Yes, you can.
Alright, thanks.
So,
John, can you take a look?
of course.
Oh, thank you. What's that, Brian?
Did you put the water in there?
Sorry?
You put the water yet?
My dog. Yeah, this is the water, yes.
Okay. That looks fine. Laura?
Okay. Huh?
How is it going, Laura?
I don't know, it's not really brown. Jacie keeps telling me it's not brown.
Alright, so let's remove this way. He is already done that before.
I think it's
There we
getting
go.
brown.
Just like 1 more minute.
As you can see, with the flour, then butter, then sugar and water, that's been already just like a pastry cream.
I'm turning the heat up a little. I hope I don't regret it.
And you quite much for that. So it is, you can see how it looks like, nice and thin and just perfectly awesome. But it is. So it's quite done. How does it look for it?
So guys, to make it like with a shape, I'm taking 1 spoon and taking 1 spoon like this and using the other spoon to give it a shape like this.
Oh yeah, just give it some 2 spoons.
I mean, you don't have to really do this, but that's how we serve. But it's not really necessary. It's basically like this.
Wait, what?
So, to give it a shape, I use 2 spoons. And I'm taking 1 spoon of Helva, like full spoon, like this. And I'm using my other spoon to give it a shape, like basically you just in it.
Okay.
Like, I mean, it's not really
Hey,
necessary,
Jacie.
Alright.
but that's how we serve. But it's not really like necessary.
So it says 2 spoons.
Let me check.
Alright. I'm stirring for a couple more minutes and then I'm putting my sugar water in, okay?
Okay.
Hey.
And then what do we do? Did you do the walnuts already?
Yeah, we did with the walnuts.
Once you pour your water, you can add your walnuts and just mix it like this, and a couple of more minutes to cook.
This is available on but is this one?
John,
Yes.
mine is still a little bit chunky. Do I add more water or? I cannot really make shapes.
No?
No, it looks too dry.
Then I would add like hot water, like quarter cup.
Yeah.
Alright, so, hey John, how's it look?
Must be hot.
Can you see it, John?
Is it my internet? That looks good, Kyle.
Alright, I can put it on the fire, right?
No more fire. No more.
We poured the water in and it worked.
Perfect.
And now the walnuts?
Annie,
So,
how is it going? You're so quiet.
you give it for a close-up
I
look.
can show it well here, so I send you pictures.
Okay, let me see. That looks perfect. Liz and Liz mom. Perfect. Yay!
Just like that one. Alright.
Should it be super hard to stir?
Say it again?
Should it be super hard to stir now? Should it be super hard to stir now?
Yes.
Okay.
This is just perfect about the Turkish halva. It is usually has with walnuts in it. It's gotta be like, you don't worry about the raw flour, about with the, just cooking one until you get a little burnt on there from the bottom. But anyway, you could evenly serve it with some ice cream, just what I hear what John says. Or you can eat it like that. You can leave it from the fridge, whatever you prefer. Just put it in the microwave, but doesn't really matter. But anyway, Turkish halva. So any more recipes, let me know in the comments below. Share it after you just view it. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell to get notification about new videos and the latest video. So I hope you enjoy for the Turkish halva.